This video is dedicated to my latest subscriber. Ben, it's not the video you hope for, but stay tuned. It should be out sometime next. Hello, and welcome back to another episode of... On today's episode, I'll be doing things such as modifying my furnace. Actually, you know what? It'll probably be easier for me to show you. Let me just... I'm going to be modifying this so that I can lift the body off and pick up this crucible from the bottom. Electricity activated. That's the tool. Tons of progress. That's too much progress. I haven't progressed this fast since I passed calculus on the third try. One weld. Fucking right. Now we got this. And I got this. I'm gonna staple those together. Fill that out with fucking fire clay. Put some handles on this thing. And then you can just plop it back on, you know? Oh, see that? That's some fucking copper right there. I can't throw that out. And time to weld them back together again. Ow. All I gotta do is make a fucking grabby thing that comes in here and goes, ugh. Ta-da! One thing's for certain. Wow. Remember when I put water on the metal and it sizzles? Well, when you put metal on the water, it fucking explodes. Too hot. Too hot. Welcome to the final weigh-in. Took me about an hour to get a scale, but I did it. That's just how much I love you. 1 kgs. 1.8 kgs. 4.6 kgs. 4.6 kgs of copper. Be prepared, there's going to be some good rounding errors here. 2.5 kgs. Let's just send it. So, stay. 3.6 plus 2.5 is 6.1 kgs of aluminum. And that does it. That's the frickin' haul. Have a good night. Or day, or whatever the fuck it is that you do. Bye. I love you.